Cherise, DOTD has closed 3 bridges in our area. One of them is the Ted Hickey, which is behind me in Orleans Parish. Then you have the Bayou Bienview and the Chalmette Ferry Bridge over in St. Bernard Parish. Now, the reason they've been closed is because of structural issues. DOTD says until those repairs are made, they have to be closed because it's not safe for drivers, but they're not going to be closed forever. The Ted Hickey Bridge, also known as the Seabrook Bridge, closed, then reopened, then closed again because of concerns below the surface.
We are going to have to replace some structural elements. Upon a special inspection, it was deemed that that bridge needed to be taken out of service in the interest of public safety.
Scott Boyle with DOTD says it's not going to be completely replaced and is expected to open in September.
We're currently in the process of designing an emergency project to get that bridge fully rehabilitated.
15 minutes away in St. Bernard Parish, the Bayou Bienview Bridge will soon close. Scott says it's going to take about 1.5 years to completely repair this bridge.
Once construction starts for that particular project, we're anticipating to be able to keep open both lanes in the northbound direction to facilitate some flow in and out of St. Bernard Parish.
At the end of Paris Road is the Chalmette Ferry Bridge. This bridge provides access up onto the ferry. This bridge is also closed.
That bridge was deemed to be in not a safe condition due to some substructure issues.
Scott says depending on permitting, it could be closed for 1 year. This bridge isn't to be confused with the Green Bridge, which is still open.
Bridges have a lifespan of about 70 to 75 years, but they're sitting in water. They're subjected to heat 24/7, 365. There's other elements for wooden bridges. There's termites.
Scott says he understands drivers may be worried driving over bridges after seeing what happened in Baltimore this week, but says accidents like that are rare. Katie and Cherise, now Scott told me there are 1,200 bridges in the New Orleans area, and all those bridges are inspected now every 2 years. Now,